In today's video, I brought you a strategy script I used in our best momentum indicator video on the main TradeSmart channel. The momentum indicator used in this script got the second placement out of the 11 indicators I tested in that video. I thought if it's the second best, it should make a great strategy. So I optimized the strategy for stocks and found an amazing combination that makes this strategy highly profitable on multiple stocks using the 2 and 4 hour time frames. And it is profitable even on indices. Today I won't share the strategy Pinescript for free, as this script was made exclusively for our Patreon supporters. But don't worry, as in this video I will explain the indicators needed and the rules of the strategy, so you can go ahead and attempt to code it with ChatGPT. I didn't code it myself, I used ChatGPT to do that. However, if you don't want to code it by yourself, you can get access to the full script and to many others through our Patreon by becoming a Smart Trader tier member. Link is down in the description. Besides that, as always, I will show you the detailed 4-year backtest results. Hello everyone and welcome to TradeSmart AI. If you are new here and like our content, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. For this strategy, head over to TradingView, then set up the Apple 2-hour chart. But technically this strategy works on many other stocks, but I will demonstrate on the Apple 2-hour. Now let's set our indicators. First type in super trend and add this one to your chart. Then type in range filter and click on this one. Next add the stochastic, this one, and with that you have all of the indicators on the chart. But as always, I optimized the strategy script, so we need to change some settings. First open up the super trend. For the super trend, set the ATR period to 27 and the ATR multiplier to 1. Then switch to the styles tab, untick the uptrend begin, the downtrend begin, and the sell option. Basically you will only need to see the buy signals, as this is a long only strategy. I've noticed that with stocks, indices or crypto, long only strategies tend to work better than trading both longs and shorts. Next open up the range filter, set its sampling period to 225 and the range multiplier to 4. Then switch to the styles tab and uncheck everything except the sell signal, as this indicator is our exit signal indicator in this strategy. Finally, open up the stochastic, set the percentage K length to 15, the percentage K smoothing to 3, and the percentage D to 7. And with that, now you have all of the indicators needed correctly set up on your chart. So now, let's see the rules for long entries and exits. Here we have a valid long entry signal. This is a simple strategy, so for long entry we only have 2 rules. First we need to see a super trend buy signal. This green buy symbol is our buy signal. Then the stochastic K line, which is the blue line, needs to be above the stochastic D line, which is the orange line. Down at the bottom we have our stochastic indicator. This blue line is the stochastic K, this orange is the stochastic D. And on the entry signal candle, the stochastic K was above the stochastic D. So, all of the conditions are met for a valid long entry. We can enter at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. As always, our strategy script enters at the open of the next candle. With this strategy, we won't be using a stop loss, as the range filter takes care of all the exits. So to exit the trade, we need to see a range filter sell signal. Now let's see where that will be. And that's right here, this blue symbol that says sell. And our script exited the position at the next candle's open. This way, this trade was a 1:9 risk-to-reward ratio trade that captured a 13% movement on a stock, which is huge. Of course, this is just a cherry-picked trade, but I will show you the backtest results in just a moment. Taking a quick look at the full strategy script, here it is. As I said, this is not a free script, not because it is so complicated to code. The reason is that the scripts I used in the momentum indicator video was made exclusively for our Patreon members. So you can either try to code this strategy with ChatGPT. I think you will be able to do that if you watched a few videos from this channel, especially the code any indicator into a strategy video. But if you don't want to spend time with that and you want to support the channel, you can get access to this script and to even more, much more complex, highly customizable premium scripts through our Patreon by becoming a Smart Trader tier member. The source code for this script is free there too, so if you are just interested in this script, just sign up for 1 month, download the Pinescript code and you will have it forever. Inside the script you can set up every parameter that is used for this strategy. These are the super trend settings, these are the stochastic settings, and these are the range filter settings. You also have a trade direction option. You can choose to trade either longs or shorts only, or both. This optimization is a long only optimization, so I set it to long only. And now let's take a look on the backtest results. For the backtest, I'm using a $10,000 capital with a $20,000 position sizing on each trade, which means that we are using a 2x leverage. This is a one trade at a time strategy, so if we have an open position, we won't enter into another one until the previous one has closed. The commission is set to 0.1% on each entry and exit, and the slippage is set to 10 ticks. First, let's see the results for the Apple 2-hour chart. For the backtest, I am using a 4-year time interval from 2020, the 1st of March, till 2024, the 1st of March. And here are the results. During the last 4 years, the script took only 68 trades, but generated 168% net profit, with a 45% maximum drawdown, which is a bit high. As the drawdown is a bit high, let's set the position sizing down. Instead of 20,000, I will use only 10,000. And now we have a 22% maximum drawdown, but the profits are cut in half too. Now talking about the trade count, I know 68 trade is really low. But as I said, this strategy works on many other assets and time frames, so you can trade multiple stocks at the same time and get hundreds of trades per year. To demonstrate that, let's see a few other results on other assets. For example, Amazon. It was profitable, but it's not the best. Costco. It is very good, 86% net profit, only 57 trades, but 13% maximum drawdown. Google. Profitable, but not the best. Meta. It is profitable, but had a huge drawdown. Microsoft. It's very good, 104% net profit, 56 trades, and 15% maximum drawdown. MicroStrategy. It is one of the best, 400% net profit with 34% maximum drawdown. And I could go on, there are a lot of profitable pairs. Now I also said that this strategy works on higher time frame, which is the 4-hour. Let's see that. For some reason, the first trades are usually huge ones. If you know why, or if this is a TradingView error, let me know. I try to figure out by taking a look on the list of trades and going down till the first one. And for some reason, it takes 10 times of the contracts that it usually should. All of the trades after that are with 30 contracts, except the first one, which uses around 300. So if you have any idea, let me know. At this point, I think it's just a TradingView bug. Let's see Meta 4-hour. Moderna, Netflix, and back to Apple. I also mentioned that this script works on indices well. Let's take a look on that. Back to the 2-hour time frame, and the best one I found is the Nifty. On Nifty, without using the 4-year time interval limit, I found that the 1-hour works great, 2-hour, 4-hour, and the daily. We can even increase the position sizing, for example to a 2x leverage, which is 20,000 now. And we have a great equity curve with a bit high 33% maximum drawdown. On the 4-hour it's great too, 2-hour is great too, and the 1-hour is also good. Let's see Nikkei. It is profitable, 2-hour is profitable too, and the 4-hour is too. So this script also works well on a few other indices, but mainly it's optimized for stocks. Finally, let's take a look on the strategy ranking spreadsheet. As with this strategy, I couldn't decide on one single asset as there were a low trade count problem. I did not give it a ranking, but you can find the info right here at the bottom. I put here that it works well on stocks and indexes. It's the best on the 2-hour and 4-hour charts. My position sizing, my fee rate, the backtesting time interval, and these are not relevant. Here I will put the YouTube link of this video, so you can find it in the spreadsheet easily. And as I said, this script is exclusive for our smart traders on our Patreon. And that wraps up today's video. As always, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, check out these other videos. If you like this one, you will probably like those ones too. And you can support my work and get access to the script presented in today's video by becoming a SmartShader tier member on our Patreon. Have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart!